Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, big up yourself. Nuclear, silent, 306. Yo, 306, me I wait for nothing there now. You know what me I talk about. Big up on yourself. Now, look at the screen in front of you. Jamaica, Popcorn, Black Man, and Salt Tail. Salt Tail, me I call him, because I'm salt, you know. Look on Salt Tail. I know vibes. If you change your name to Salt Man, or the Salt Tail this, you know. No. I just have to talk on Cartel because now I see where Tommy Lee Sparta get him training. You need to drop Tommy Lee Sparta picture in that thing, yeah. For real. But when you look at a man like Vybz Kartel, him get a start with Bounty. And you see each up around a sea view or whatever. And then him branch out and start do the thing of Waterfoot. And him pop way. And him put on a couple youth, but a long time he didn't know that youth here was a madman. And I listen to him audio tape them, you know. Because number one, him not only a madman, he have some man do badness. And them don't know how to do badness. When you listen to some of him tune them, he must say him not a friend. I guess he just have figure that out. He must think say him not a friend and this and that and whatnot, but you still have a bag of man around you. And you not stop opening up your little chatty mouth. You understand? Now, with this new revelation, we come out like me say him can get charged. And like everybody say, Sir P did right. But me did don't know say, and a long time me I say this, say him now come out of jail. For the simple fact, him kill him friend them and him pressure him friend them. We are going to go into that. Let's move on. So like me I say, that youth here, him can't blame nobody but himself. Now, I listen to the tape them, you know, the audio. And I know say him sink himself with them. But when one of my brethren break it down to me and he must say, yo, countryman, let me tell you why him sink himself even more. When you listen to audio tape them, now we are talk while a youth Vybz Kartel in a prison where I know him a madman and he now come out. You know, so I give my opinion. I know him have a whole heap of people follow him, but me not care. You understand? Because I'm not do nothing for them. No. My bridging break it down. And the man I say, yo. He must say, yo, you see throughout the voice note them, when you listen to them, a Vybz Kartel put the pressure upon Sean Storm. You understand? Him put the pressure upon Sean Storm. He must say, yo, how you can make the town man them come trick you? And take on gun, dog. We want to gun them, we want. Yo, B. So comes now, when him put the pressure upon Sean Storm them go for Lizard. You understand? You see it in he make all Sean Storm and the other whoever they are jail with them, you know, him, Sean Storm or somebody else. Him make the man them their blood clot prison, you know. And him should have free up the man them. You understand? Cause nobody no make him their prison about himself. No. As a big time artist, fuck the artist thing. You're a big time stepper. And some man borrow on a machine or whatever. You feel like I trick the man them trick, you know. Cause you know the thing the man them a say, yo, now we bridging them down, the man them say, yo, them a come get the thing, them and go up on a whatnot. I must say, yo, how you for do that? You make the tone man them. So it's like that brother is a separatist. What do you mean tone man them? And y'all sing the most bad man tune in a Jamaica and I link man I save you, y'all link with Bounty them from day one and them things. That mean so when I hear them things, I say that you tell real tomato, you know. So him pressure Sean Storm. You understand? No, if him a real bad man, he would have deal with it differently. You understand? You send a man them go get Lizard in front of everybody. Like you're a boss. Well, he's my boss. Cause he's a youth where, like me I say, my road, the clansman them and them a do what they want to do, them kind of get crazy. It's like, if you don't do what Vybz Kartel say, or Black Man dog, or Tesha be like, yo, fuck couldn't get fuck. Remember, I'm tell you that. If you say, yo, Kartel, John know your shirt ugly, you know. Him say, yo, my shirt, look. And you say, yo, boy, ugly shirt. Yo, you might lose your life for that. You understand? If you're a real bad man and stepper, and you do things, you make the man them way need to know the man them way do that. You understand? And it's a need to know basis. And I don't know, 20 man or 1 man. You understand? No, you're there at jail and you still have plan things. Look, you understand me I say? And you put out a hit on your brethren, Popcaan. And we did really want to talk about Popcaan for a little bit. Well, Popcaan, they must say, oh, Popcaan rot it. No, Popcaan call nobody name. Popcaan take himself from them. Popcaan take himself from them, because him see how Kartel them flex, and him see how Kartel a flex. And him sister not nice, which breed Popcaan sister, a ride with Kartel. So the man take with himself and do one thing. And him always respect Vybz Kartel. Yo, that youth always a send out shout out to Kartel dog. You understand? That's why Popcorn do the tune with friends like these who need enemies. Who need enemies. Cause long time him take with himself. That's why I'm not like Popcorn. Cause Popcorn rub behind him and kiss him foot bottom like Tommy Lee and them boy the dog. You understand? So that's why I'm not like Popcorn. If you the wrong cartel and you don't do what him say, is a problem. You understand? So my thing is, him can't blame nobody but himself. Why he is in jail. And that's how the thing go. Whether you take a cartel should I do, like I said before, him should have take a plea bargain. You understand? If he even want 20, he would have done the half fight already. And give back something to the youths them and send out a different message. You understand? But what he did, him still there jail. Still a plan hits, still a hitman, whatever. Do this, that. And him blame everybody but himself. Sean Storm there jail through him. You understand? And the other youth. You understand? Through him. Then him have that broke bad boy. They want make them to make cartel pay them lawyer bill. Black man them. And then you have I-Octane him. You see what I say? The man them a use straight badness. Want make them not go bad up the politician them, me a kill them off. And I put one in a prison. But what I do? Bad up on the friend, kill off on the friend. Them just shot another man around a Cockburn pen. While me I do that story. Yeah. Mini 14 I with the blood clot in name, yo. I don't know what wrong with them boy, but yeah. Me did have to talk on Vybz Kartel because I just feel like say that youth is a madman. Him is like a Donald Trump. Him narcissistic. And him even worse than Donald Trump because him is violent. You understand? You can't tell a man, they say, yo, I like what you said to me, you know, and they want to get you out. It doesn't make sense. And now you're in a jail, you name a call, we don't know how him going to come out of that to blow out. Because the man intertwined with Klansman, them dog. It's like, he might one of the boss. You understand? So, yo, I even make Sean Storm their jail and the other youth them. Nobody no rat him out. Him pressure Sean Storm in the audio clip them. You hear it for yourself. And then Sean Storm now him, you know, follow the order and thing. You understand? And them still loyal to him. Papi too. Popcorn loyal to him. And him still want to get out the man. You understand? So I saw that boy I stay. Anyways, I just have to talk on this, dog. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit your notification button. And listen, I don't know if it be like Vybz Kartel, enough of the artists that may come up. Load them kind of thing there. Later.